My dear students, I am Pathak Sir from Modern English High School, Guwahati. You see, I have selected a question from quadratic equation, words problem. First of all, you read the question nicely, translate it into the form of linear equation, and then you solve and get the answer. Here you see the sum. Sum is you must be knowing. When your sum comes, that means what? This symbol you should remember. Reciprocals that you should know. Suppose x is there, its reciprocal will be 1 by x. So the sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years hence from now is 1 by 3. First of all, you have to understand what is ago, what is from now, and what is the present age. The age which you are having now, that is called present age. Suppose you are of 15 years, that means your age is present age is 15 years. 5 years ago, that means what? 15 minus 5. 3 years from now, that means what? Present age 15 years plus 3 you have to take. So we don't know the present age. Present age you have to find out. You suppose what is the present age? Answer I am writing. Let Rahman's present age be is b x years. Therefore, his age is 5 years, 3 years ago. His is 3 years ago is equal to x minus 3 years. Also, his is 5 years from now is equal to x plus 5 years. According to question, sum of what? Sum of the reciprocal of his age 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Reciprocal. So you see, what will be the reciprocal of x minus 3? So 1 by x minus 3. What is his age? Reciprocal of his age 5 years from now? 1 by x plus 5. That is equal to how much? 1 by 3. Okay. Here you see, you take the LCM of x minus 3, x plus 5. You are getting x minus 3, x plus 5. That is equal to 1 by 3. Here you see, you divide the denominator by x minus 3. X minus 3, x minus 3 cancels, so x plus 5. Here you see, x plus 5 will be cancelled, so x minus 3 you are getting. Now you see, x twice x, 5 minus 3 you are getting plus 2, and below will be what? You multiply these two. You multiply in the rough, you will get the answer x square plus 2x minus 15, that is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiplication, 1 into this much, you will get x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 3 to the 6x plus 6. Now you tell x square plus 2x. Let 6x come this side. So it will be minus 4x minus 15. Let this 6 come to the left hand side. You will get, it will be also minus. So minus 15 minus 6 you will get what? Minus 21. That is equal to 0. We don't have a space here. So we are rubbing the above portion. After rubbing, I get some space and I continue here. X square as it is minus, instead of 4 you put this bracket, x minus 21 is equal to 0. Here minus is there, so you write here minus. Multiply two numbers in such a way here that the multiplication should be 21 and difference should be how much? 4. A splitting middle term factorization method I am doing. So 7 3s are 21 and 7 minus 3 you are getting 4. This was x square, this was x. Minus 7 into x, 7x, minus minus plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. You make two pairs. Here first 2, one pair, second 2, together one pair. What can be taken common here? You take x common, so x minus 7. You take from here 3 common, you are getting x minus 7. That is equal to 0. Now you see x minus 7 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Either x minus 7 is equal to 0 or you are getting x plus 3 is equal to 0. What happens? You can write, therefore x is equal to 7 or x plus x is equal to minus 3. We cannot take x is equal to minus 3 as is can never be negative. Therefore, what happens? Therefore, we accept only x is equal to 7. Therefore, present age of Rahman is equal to 7 years, because Rahman says present age was x and instead of x you are getting 7, so Rahman's present age is what? 7 years. This is your answer. My dear students, if you liked my video, you must subscribe it so that you will get the video first of all as soon as I am putting it on YouTube.